So we are at a Chargefox Ultra Rapid site at number 1 Great Ocean Road, the RACV resort in Torquay. This is part of a national ultra rapid network of 22 sites connecting cities across the country. The point of the network was to help address range anxiety in Australia. So people were having concerns about buying EVs. They'd walk into a dealership and ask questions like, what if I wanted to drive from Melbourne to Sydney? So we've addressed those concerns and taken those questions away so that people can feel more confident buying EVs. The ultra-rapid DC chargers at a Chargefox site can charge your car very quickly. So when you turn up, you can use your Chargefox app to run your charging session, and whilst you're waiting, you can go and grab a coffee, take the family to the bathroom, and your car will be ready to go when you're finished. Chargefox is the first ultra-rapid network of its kind in Australia, and by far the largest. All of our sites are powered completely by renewable energy. So here, for example, we have solar on the building and battery on site to help power the vehicles. And we abate roughly 100 tonnes of carbon each month to make sure that drivers can feel confident in supporting the environment when they're out driving. ARENA's been a really significant contributor to the funding behind the rollout of these ultra-rapid stations and has really brought forward the availability of world-class infrastructure to drivers in Australia. So I hope as we roll out more and more infrastructure like this is that drivers in Australia can feel confident to go and purchase electric vehicles, and we can begin to transition to a future where we're powering our road transport with renewable energy.